How to fix high ping in Fall Guys. Now the first thing that I'll recommend everyone if they have a slow connection is to use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Now if you're already using Wi-Fi or you're not able to get an Ethernet cable, follow these steps. Now go to the Windows search bar and type in Control Panel. There you go. In the top right, type in Network and Sharing Center. Click that, and here click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on the connection you're using and select Disable. What this will do is disable your internet. You have to wait for about a couple of seconds, and what about now we should enable it again. This should take about a couple of seconds, and there you go, we reconnected. Now let's close out of this, and here under connections you'll see what connection you're using. Click that, go to properties, double click Internet Protocol version 4, and here select use the following DNS server addresses. And here just type in 8888, and down here type in 8844, and then click OK. Now you can close out of this. Now if your ping is still high, you can try using a VPN. You can try getting a better package from the internet provider. And that's pretty much it. And that's how to fix high ping in Fall Guys.